Learning with Rhymes.
Let's count together from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! One little sun shining bright, waking up the world with light. Two blue birds flying high, flapping wings across the sky. Flapping wings across the skies. 3 red apples on a tree, crunchy, sweet, and full of glee. 4 cute kittens run around, chasing tails without a sound. 5 bright stars begin to shine, twinkling, glowing, all in line. 6 fish swim in ocean blue, blub, 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 they're happy too. 7 rainbows in the sky, colors shining, oh my, my. 8 balloons up in the air, red and yellow everywhere. 9 cute ducks say quack, quack, marching forward, never where. 10 kids laugh and dance with cheer, learning numbers far and near.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.